The topic for today's presentation is rollers and compactors. I will be giving introduction about rollers. Rollers. Road rollers use the weight of the vehicle to compress the surface being rolled or use mechanical advantage. Initial compaction of the substrate on a road project is done using a padfoot drum rollers which achieve higher compaction density due to pads having less surface area. On larger freeway, a four-wheel compactor with padfoot drum and blade would be used due to its high weight, speed and the powerful pushing force to spread bulk material on regional roads. A smaller single padfoot drum machine may be used.
Types of the rollers. There are different types of rollers: cylindrical roller, grid roller, a pneumatic roller, smooth wheel or static roller, and vibratory roller. So, grid roller are a type of roller that has a network of steel bars which create a grid like a pattern on the steel drum. Then, pneumatic roller, uh, in this pneumatic tired roller, its weight plays an important role while compacting soil with the help of kneading and vibrating. In this type of roller, rolling compaction is due to its tired wheel. Then vibratory rollers. Vibratory rollers are the recent development of the compacting dry and lean concrete. Then application of the rollers. Roller are a type of construction plant used for compacting materials such as the soil, gravel, sand, road surfaces, and so on. Different type of roller can be used depending on the requirement of the project and the type of material that needs to be compacted. They provide the surface with load bearing strength. They use a circular wheel known as a drum to crush and flatten. Roller compactor are used to force fine powder between two counter rotating rolls and presses the raw materials into solid compact.
Compactors. A compactor is a machine or mechanism used to reduce the size of materials such as a waste material or biomass through compaction. A trash compactor is often used by a home or business to reduce the volume of trash it produces. A baler wrapper compactor is often used for making compact and wrap bales. In order to improve logistics, it is normally powered by hydraulics. Compactor takes many shapes and sizes in landfill sites. For example, a large tractor, typically a converted front end loader with some variant of a bulldozer blade attached, with spiked steel wheels called a landfill compactor, is used to drive over waste deposited by waste collection vehicles. Here are the types of compactors: the plate, the rammer, the road roller, pancake compactor, baling press compactor.
Applications of compactor. Compactors typically come in electric and hydraulic operations with quite a few loading configurations. Most popular loading configurations fall under the following: ground access, walk-on, and secured indoor chute. As means to preserve and storage forage, baler wrapper compactors are used to exclude oxygen from the forage and wrap it in airtight films. Without access to air, the forage is preserved for fresh for longer periods of time. There are also trash compactors, hydraulic or manual, designed for residential use. In addition to the waste vehicles and landfill use, there are solar powered trash compactors that can hold the equivalent of 200 gallons of trash before they need to be emptied. The roller type compactors are used for compacting crushed rocks as the base layer underneath concrete or stone foundations or the slab. The plate compactor, vibrating plate or tamper, has a large vibrating base plate and is suited for creating a level grade, while the rammer compactor has a smaller foot. The rammer or trench hammer is mainly used to compact the backfill in narrow trenches for water or gas supply pipes. Road rollers may also have vibrating rollers. These were the applications of compactors in construction field.